looks to be a disciplined guy. I really liked it. Probably once he stops, I'll be interacting with him. That's pretty good. Very nice. And that's what it's pretty much easy to be a biker, but it is very much difficult to be a rider, because there is a very small and thin line between a rider and a biker. Anyone who is owning a bike and going for a trips, or who's riding, cannot be a rider. He can be a biker, of course. To be a rider, there has to be rules which has to be followed. There have to be safety instructions which has to be taken care. There has to be some kind of a commitment towards when you are riding. So all these things has to be taken care when you are a rider. Riding at 80 kilometers per hour is very much comfortable for me, and being in a group, it is kind of a good task. And I cannot slow down much because I am just a part of this particular group, and if I want to cover, maybe at a place where we all stop, I might be able to cover these guys. That's it. I cannot stop for flybys and all, because then I will be breaking this particular loop, which I don't want to. I want to thank Big Bang Biker for this particular occasion, and want to wish him all the best for his upcoming vlogs and the YouTube career. So yeah, Dhanush, who had done the particular welding of the rod on his particular bike, that is Electra, I had suggested him to put the grip covers. And moreover, the fact which has to be understood is his bike is around 4 years old. Even mine is also 2.5 years old. It actually depends on the amount of vibration as well. And for the Electra and the Standard, the total weight of the bike is lesser, and the vibration intensity will be higher on the Standard and the Electras when compared to the Classics, where the curb weight and everything is much more higher. So that are some of the few factors. Even I told him to put the grip covers. Hopefully he will be putting it as soon as possible. And once he put that particular grip covers, I will ask him that how the performance is, or how the vibration intensity is. And yes, using gloves also helps you in absorbing the vibrations. Even I've heard about the leather wraps which you can do on your grip covers, on the grip, yes, not on the grip cover. And I'm gonna test it very soon. I'm just looking for a very honest feedback and some videos on the YouTube, but I was not able to find it. There was a signal for the single file, and we are now on single file and keeping a safer distance. We will be passing through the toll, even though we don't have to pay any toll here, and this toll booth is of course closed. Your good name, bro? Shreyas. Prajesh. Nice, man. Good, you're following the rules and everything. Felt very good.
So you do have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Bullet Diaries. So yeah, we are about to reach the travel cafe. It's only a few kilometers from here. This is the famous place where we take the left and we reach the travel cafe. It's not exactly the Nandi Hills, but before it is the Nandi Hills road, to be very much clear. Yeah, we pretty much followed the single file when we were coming after the toll booth, and it's always easy because the two file is difficult when you are on narrow roads, or I can say when you are on a place where it is difficult to follow the two lanes. So Big Bang Biker actually is standing on the humps. Yeah, there comes the false neutral. It happens when you are very much desperate to change the gears. This is not so happening. RT390 with a very bad helmet for the pillion. That gentleman is using empty helmets for himself and has given a very cheap quality helmet for the pillion. I don't want to comment for anybody because it's all personal choices, and he is not going at a speed less than 90 to 100 kilometers per hour, and that helmet is not going to help you in any way. It's just to evade the cops, nothing else. And there are speed demons. So the travel cafe is here, and we are at the destination right now. It's such a beautiful place to see always, and they have a quite ample space for parking your bikes. Hi bro, what's your name?
Mohan.
Mohan, hi. Prajesh here.
Creativity. Okay.
Everybody's there?
Yes, sir.
So yeah guys, actually the occasion we thought we have come to meet him and congratulate him and wish him all the best. So I just wanted to share my small part, even though I am not the host, he is the person who is the person. We are all guests actually and the subscribers. So when I started my career, this is a small thing, as a YouTuber, I was just putting one or two videos. most of the people those are following me, they might have known particular story about. But when I had started my YouTube career, I was not knowing what is motovlogging or anything like that. It was back in February 22nd when I started my channel. So after putting the first video, I was like going through all these YouTube videos and looking at what is motovlogging. I was not knowing what is motovlogging at all. So when I spoke to him, he had a channel and I thought like, okay, fine. So he's having a camera.
By the way, I was only at 200 or 300.
Yeah, at that time. So
I don't know why he approached me.
so I was just like, okay, fine. He's one of my mutual friends, so I just added him as a friend. And I was just talking, and the first moment of conversation itself, he gave me his number and he added me to his group for the as subscribers, the BBP subscribe. Most of the people might be there. After that, I started watching his videos and other videos. Then I was like troubling him all the time that how to do this, what is that, what is this. Believe me, he was there all the time. And when my wife was pregnant and she was conceiving, at the first meetup which was planned, he postponed the date only for me. And that is the one moment which I'll never ever forget in my life, because I was in constant interaction with him initially, and he was also free. But right now he's also occupied, so he replies very less times. But at that time, he talks to each and every person, whoever is there. That is the one quality of Big Bang Biker.
Do I reply to all your comments or not?
Yeah, it takes time to
I'll
reply
try
to
my best,
everyone.
man.
And see guys, it's ultimately how you respond to your followers or your fans or whatever page you make. It always depends on that. And whoever is going to start a YouTube channel, please make sure the crowd is increasing like anything. Every second day there is a new channel which is coming, because everyone knows that is. I'm not a experienced guy or something. Just have a 7 to 8 months of experience. But don't be a suggestion in somebody's video. You make your own crowd and make them to stick on to your channel and talk to others about your channel. And that's what happened with him. He is the only one consistent person which I had seen who puts videos at least 4 or 5 a week, or 4 at least. And that is what his success point is. And plus the way he interacts, and he is always humble. I'm not doing this just for whatever I'm telling is from my heart.
Guys, I won't give a speech like this.
I know that.
I'm only on bike.
And speaking to people and interacting with people, it's not an easy task, because it's not everybody's cup of tea. See, putting a video just going from point A to point B is not motovlogging.
Yep.
That is what the wrong concept most of the people are having. And that is what wrong concept people are taking up to a different level, where they do rash drives. See, you have a general responsibility when you are uploading anything on the YouTube.
So 2 file or 1 file, whatever it is, right? So when I was seeing in the rearview mirror, when I said 2 file, every one of you were in 2 file. So I believe that my videos are giving the right info outside, right? So whenever I go on rides, that's one thing which I ask my subscribers to do. Maybe 120 speed or 80. See, I do high speeds. I won't say no to it. You have seen me doing high speeds now also, right? I was doing 140, 145. I was doing that. But I don't show that in the video, because I don't want people to follow that.
Exactly.
See, I've told you in advance that, I will overtake you. Right? I told you in advance, I will overtake you. Don't take me as a competition. Right? I'm trying to take a video of yours. So follow 80 or 90 speed. So now tomorrow when someone is seeing this video on that highway on the bridge which says 80 km per hour, and all of you doing 80, that will look beautiful. This person gave me a good feedback. Wish Let's go. Okay, the meetup is done. Awesome. Okay, right date for the meetup. See, this is the reason I have kept meetup on Sunday, because all the super bikes come out on the same day, and you will be able to see it in person, right? I use Kannada slangs also in my videos, right? In the right moment, I put the beep so that I will give you a guess taste. You can send me a guess. Hey, no, you will also have some fun. See, I don't avoid slangs in my videos. That is there. But make sure you beep
that's
it.
all personal choices, whatever you do, and what language you are going to use. But make sure that when somebody else is watching it, if it is with your family or anybody, any friends, see, it should be watchable plus audible.
Yep.
Right? So you should be tension free when you are watching these videos of any of our vloggers who are there, who are keeping standard content, so that you will also feel good, and others, those who are watching the videos, they will also tell about that video to other person. when you are decided to be a vlogger, especially whoever it is, please be consistent. Number one, if you are putting one video a week, please make sure you're putting one video a week. Because what happens is, most of the people, they get fed up. They will feel they are not getting views. They will feel they are not getting subscribers. They will feel they are not getting comments. Believe me or not, I was not getting even 80 views per month initially. But right now, I am at 4,500 views per day. It is not a joke. I'm not blabbering or something. I have all the figures with me. It is only up to consistency, and as we always used to say, every dog has a day. You will also have a day when your video will be viewed by many of the people, which with the content you feel is better. Please believe in your instinct. If it is not hit today, it will be hit tomorrow.
Never be discouraged, guys.
Yeah.
If you want to do anything, never be
You have
discouraged.
to be very much self-confident.
I was told all bullshit, you know, like for 500 subscribers, I had to wait for 6 months. Come on, your hard work will make sure what you get. That's all.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly, guys.
For 3 months, I had 300 subscribers. Did I give up? No. That's all. I continued my why I started the channel, which is the main answer which I give, main question which I get. Why I started is because I started riding with my childhood friends. Then I went to Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, I saw some nasty shit. I thought life is short, I want to ride. And I thought, okay, I'll ride and I'll record only that. Then I thought, okay, I saw Augie F. Nikhil, everyone, you know these people. So I thought, okay, why not I do the same thing?
And one more thing, it's not always that who did first or who didn't
Yeah,
do
that's
first.
all.
That
Don't
is
be in
one bullshit
competition.
we always forget, and we always have that in our mind. See, I'll tell you one thing, whatever topics we all are doing, that is already done some 5 years back by other US motorcycle owners. So don't think that I am doing so, I should be very unique or something like that. Just do it. Believe in your instinct. And if you don't get time, at least make simple ones. Don't go on complex something. I don't want to again put it more lengthy. I just want to wish him all the best. I'll be pushing off because I need to go back. My family is waiting over there. Okay, Guru. Oh, giveaway.
Giveaways, yeah.
Nice. Okay, Macha. See you then. Bye, guys. See you. Venkat. Bye. Twist to neutral, okay, man.
I went up the hill and came back, okay?
Is it?
Yeah,
What about your breakfast? I'm just going back. They are going to go up to the Nandi Hill top,
Okay, fine.
but I'm just going because my family is waiting.
Yeah, even I'm heading back now. Okay?
You're heading back? You're You coming?
Yeah, I'm also heading back.
Come. Macha, A to B. No.
It's fine. No, you want to eat something? I'm done. No? Yeah.
Macha, A to B. A to B ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
The H2R that went up. Yeah, it went up.
You're coming?
Yeah, I'll follow.
Come.
Let's carry on and catch up.
Yeah, fine.